Hello everyone. Nice to meet you. Last time we got this far. Today, I will add a few more details to the roof. I will show you how to make the cap that covers the ridge and the hip lines. And I will also show you how to add fascia and gutter. I will delete this. Let's get started. Select and copy. Adjust the cross-section view. I will create a cap on the ridge of the gable roof. Architecture. Roof. Roof by extrusion. Set work plane. Pick a plane. Pick the face. Draw sketch by line. Choose type of the roof with metal sheet. Finish. Align the extruded face to the end face of the roof. The cap on the ridge of the gable roof has been completed. Now, I will create the cap for the hip roof. In the section view, copy this roof upward. Change the type of the roof with metal sheet. A thin roof has been duplicated, and will be used as cap flashing. Temporary hide and isolate. Architecture. Component. Model in place. Choose category, roof. Void forms. Void extrusion. Draw sketch by pick line. Offset 150. Pick along hip lines of the roof. Line. Trim. Check depth of extrusion. And check here is void. Finish. Edit work plane level 2. Adjust size of the extrusion. Modify. Cut. Finish. Cap of the hip lines is made. It's a bit of a trick, but it's a quick way to make it. I'm going to create a fascia now. Architecture. Roof. Fascia. Check the type of fascia. Let's find the family used for the profile of fascia. Family. Profiles. M fascia flat. If you want to create a new type of fascia, duplicate one of these and rename it. Double-click to specify the thickness and height values. I will delete it. Running the fascia again. Check the type and pick the edges of the roof. Apply the same method to the hip roof. The fascia is complete. Now, let's make gutter. Architecture. Roof. Gutter. Pick edges. Apply the same method to the hip roof. The gutter is complete. I will change the type of the gutter. It has been completed. Section view. Today, I have completed the gable roof and the hip roof in more detail. Thank you for watching. See you next time.